go for a ride. Hop in the music and rock your body. Rock your body.
Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you.
Shut your mouth and run me like a river.
Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Holy hands, will they make me a sinner?
Have to let go. The innocence is gone. Let's not kill the drama. Let's not start a fight.
Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you. Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you.
What are you doing? Why are you still holding back? Have you forgotten what they said to us? What they did? They think you're a monster. Prove them right.
Ask me why my heart's inside my throat. I've never been in love, I've been alone. Feel like I've been living life asleep. Love so strong, it makes me feel so weak. Are you lonely? Our fingers dancing where they meet. You seem so lonely. I'll be the only dream you see. So if you're lonely, no need to show me. If you're lonely, come be lonely with me. Lonely. Get down! Run! Run!
No, it's okay. It's okay. She's a friend. You just scared him.
I scared him? Who is him?
Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where do you think you're going?
Oh, ah! Oh, great, oh, it's ghost! Oh, this is it! Ah! Hiccup! Get me down from here!
You have to give me a chance to explain.
I am not listening to anything you have to say!
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you. Please, Astrid.
Now get me down.
Toothless, down, gently. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Ah! Toothless! What is wrong with you? Bad Dragon! He's not usually like this. Oh no. Toothless, what are you doing? We need her to like us. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just get me off of this thing.
Du skyddar dig inte alls mot solen.
Ja, men jag har valt att kunna lita på min egna inbyggda.
Talk about it, I just spit it, let the bass it. You never really want to be the one to have to run, now turn and face it.
What is he doing?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not one of them.
Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop the fight! Out of my way!
I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I would gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life.
Looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid, and I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I still stand. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Toothless! Hey, bud!
Dancing in the dark, with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song.
Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? Well, try this on. Oh, you feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all my heartfelt remorse? Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Oh, you're right. You win. He's down. Oh, and it's ugly. Dragons and Vikings. Enemies again. Locked in combat to the bitter. You know that doesn't wash out. You're a demon! No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy here to rescue these dragons. So,
But you walked through fire!
dragon scales. Dragons shed a lot.
Oh, I know a demon when I see one. No human legs are that steady.
You know the plan.
Dudes? What? He jumped! He jumped!
I'm good, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'm gonna have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride.
Hey ladies, drop it down. I just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl. Hey girl, shake your body like a belly dancer.
The eggs explode?
You know I'm just a flight away.
Here we go. Ow! Why would you?
A kilómetros estamos conectando.
Toothless!
You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain.
If I drink that, I'm gonna yak nog all over the place.
Maybe you'd rather taste a punch in the face?
They grow up so fast, don't they?
the things that I never would know. Some months is cold. We don't break the code. We just make the code. But we don't make the code.
The most fucking fantastic freak you've ever seen. Did I make you scream?
Have to let go. The innocence is gone. Let's not kill the drama. Let's not start a fight. It's not worth the drama for a beautiful life.
Somewhere far along this road, you lost your soul to a woman so heartless. Said I'm heartless, so much pussy be falling off the. She thinks she love me, I think she trolling. That girl is a real crowd, please.
Spotlight! You done?
Oh, I guess it's just you and me, huh?
Nope, just you.
When the sun comes down, getaway car for two young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die.
I can still hear you, Hiccup, but I agree.
Okay, you gotta hold on tighter.
Oh, sorry.
Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here.
I can still hear you, Hiccup, but I agree.
Okay, you gotta hold on tighter.
Oh, sorry.
Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here.
How you don't know how to keep
There
your
is
business
something out there.
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Quit trying to steal all my glory! Get the bastard! That's my glory!
Ruining everything!
No cheat! No glory! Well done! That is my future daughter-in-law!
Voy a hacer, je suis perdu. Mi corazón, mi corazón. Me gusta la moto, me gustas tú. Me gusta correr, me gustas tú. Me gusta la lluvia, me gustas tú. Me gusta volver, me gustas tú.
Blubbering and panting.
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery.